Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. A powerful Arctic blast swept into the U.S. Northeast on Friday, pushing temperatures to perilously low levels across the region, including New Hampshire's Mount Washington, where the wind chill dropped to 105 degrees below zero Fahrenheit, -79 Celsius. An ice storm, also known as a glaze event or a silver storm, is a type of winter storm characterized by freezing rain. Wind chill warnings were posted for most of New York State and all 6 New England states, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Hampshire, Vermont and Maine, a region home to some 16 million people. Schools in Boston and Worcester, Massachusetts, New England's 2 largest cities, were among those closed on Friday over concerns about the risk of hypothermia and frostbite for children walking to school or waiting for buses. Early on Friday, the Arctic surge flowing into the United States from eastern Canada was centered over the U.S. plains, Weather Service forecaster Bob Oravec said. Cobbetogama, Minnesota, near the Ontario border, was America's coldest spot at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, with a temperature of -39 F, -39.5 C. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.